Well, this electric lawnmower was given to me by a friend after I helped him move a big refrigerator from his garage to inside the house. So he told me what he was mowing his lawn and then hit something really hard and then heard a noise, and then after that it stopped working. So after I took this off and I found this, if I thought it was the ground, but it's not ground because it's red. So there's a lot of electricity. I want to say this is a battery. I want to say it's the battery. Okay, a small battery inside. Yeah, it looks like it's a battery and 50, I said 50 watt, something like that. Or I don't know, but I think that's what it is. And then what happened is, you look, you see, it broke. So it was right here. It was attached right here. So it broke off. So I need to put it back like this, back and see if it will start. So when it's connected and switch on, you hear noise, but the motor will not turn because there's no because of maybe this. But again, this is just a bracket to hold it. It should not be the issue. But again, it's we are doing the all the hypothesis here. All right, so let me explain what I've done so far. You can see I tape this around the bracket and thus make the connection I showed you earlier. And to make this stay, yes, I use several layers or turns of crazy tape. I have a duct tape, and then this is a electrical tape. So there are several rounds of it. And in addition, I use this solvent weld glue, so it will hold it very, yeah, very tight. And I remove both plugs. That's the yeah, that's the charging. So I cleaned with a wire brush. I cleaned both terminals. And so right now, all I have to do is go ahead and see if it will start. But I think that's what it is here. So it's a battery, and so it needed to be connected to this here. And I don't know if there's kind of some ground, but let's see what we have. Yeah, I don't have anything better to do, man. All right, so you saw the test and where I was able to get it started again, and the issue was the battery that came off the bracket. So after I was able to put it back together, and it starts very very fine, very well. So no issue, and I, I I'm hoping that my friend would want to buy it back. Well, not buying it back, but buy it from me. All right, let me go ahead and start it one more time after I put the cover back. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you. Yes. Woo-hoo.